At this sacred beginning, I pause. I quiet my heart. I still my thoughts. And I enter this moment with gratitude. Today marks not just the opening of a program, but the opening of minds, hearts, and possibilities. I give thanks for this gathering, for the opportunity to come together in purpose, for the shared commitment to learning, service, and growth. This moment matters. I lift up everyone present here today, the leaders who carry vision, the educators who shape futures, the staff who work faithfully behind the scenes, and every participant who showed up with willingness to learn. May each one feel valued. I acknowledge the responsibility that comes with education, the responsibility to guide minds with wisdom, to nurture character with integrity, to serve not only with knowledge, but with compassion. Let this program be guided by purpose. As this program begins, I ask for clarity. Clarity of intention, clarity of communication, clarity of direction. Let every session be meaningful. I pray for unity among all involved. Unity in goals, unity in collaboration, unity in respect for diverse perspectives and experiences. Let cooperation replace division. I ask for patience throughout this program. Patience in learning new ideas, patience in navigating challenges, patience in moments when progress feels slow. Let patience create space for understanding. I lift up the educators and facilitators. Grant them wisdom as they teach, clarity as they explain, sensitivity as they guide. May their words inspire and empower. I pray for open minds, minds ready to receive new insights, minds willing to question constructively, minds eager to grow beyond familiar boundaries. Let learning be active and alive. I ask for humility in learning, the humility to admit what we do not yet know, and the courage to keep learning anyway. Let curiosity lead forward. I lift up the leaders overseeing this program. Grant them discernment in decisions, strength in responsibility, grace in leadership. May their guidance be rooted in service. As this program unfolds, I ask for protection over every participant. Protection in travel, protection in health, protection in well-being, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Let safety surround us. I pray that this program will plant seeds of knowledge, seeds of innovation, seeds of renewed commitment to education and service. Let these seeds grow beyond this gathering. I ask for focus during sessions, freedom from distraction, presence of mind and heart. Let every moment be purposeful. I lift up those who may feel anxious or uncertain, those stepping into new roles, those facing new expectations. Replace anxiety with confidence. I pray for collaboration, that ideas may be shared freely, that feedback may be offered respectfully, that growth may be collective. Let teamwork flourish. As this program begins, I ask for renewed passion for teaching, passion for learning, passion for shaping lives through education. Let purpose ignite our efforts. I acknowledge the challenges faced by the education sector, the demands, the pressure, the expectations. Grant resilience to all who serve. I pray that this program strengthens not only skills, but character, not only knowledge, but compassion. Let growth be holistic. As we open this program, I ask for peace to fill this space. Peace that steadies nerves, peace that fosters respect, peace that allows learning to flourish. Let this be a place of calm and purpose. I commit this entire program from beginning to end into capable hands beyond our own. I trust that every effort invested here will bear fruit. We begin with hope, with gratitude for this opportunity, with humility for the task ahead, and with unity of purpose. We open this DepEd program with faith, dedication, and resolve. Amen.